everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and today is an unexpected video because I received, can't really read it upside down, but it's called Seoul Box. And yeah, there's just a bunch of like Korean snacks and products in here. And the thing is that I have no idea who sent this to me, or I have no idea like how I even got this box. It just arrived on my doorstep today and I'm completely shocked. It's like a mystery box, like I have no idea who it's from. But I thought I would film the video and show you guys what's inside because it seems so amazing and I love Korea. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you. And my husband had already like kind of opened it because he wasn't sure what was in the box. So it's kind of already all messy inside. But this is the logo. And it says Seoul Box. And the box is so cute. I love the packaging of it. It's very minimalistic. Love the branding. And yeah, so it says here, it says, bring Korea closer to the world. I love it. Okay, let's see. All right, so what I first see here is this little pamphlet with a bunch of pumpkins on it, and it says Seoul Box. And I think just like Snack Crate, it has a bunch of just what the box includes, the different snacks and the size of the box and what's included in each box. And yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And yeah, let's go ahead and try what's inside. Okay, so this is called, it's like in a little pink bag. It kind of reminds me of like rice crackers. Yeah, let's see. Okay. It kind of smells like ube. I don't know what that is. It's like a Filipino like yam, I think. And let's take a little. Oh, I know. I think it's taro. I can't really read it since it's in Korean, but I think it's taro flavored. It has like a very rice cracker type of texture to it, but yeah, it's pretty good. I can just imagine eating this with like maybe some peanut butter or chocolate or something like that. It's good. All right, next thing I see is this like little instant noodles, and this is ramen flavor. Actually, let me go ahead and read it. No, wait, this is Tempura Udon, a harmony of warm broth and crispy fries. So I think I have this. I have this because I bought a bunch of like Korean instant noodles. We have a lot of Korean markets here. So yeah, I do enjoy it. It's way better than, of course, like the cup of noodles that you eat like in middle school, obviously. Oh, and this one was actually sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. It says pop snack sweet potato. All right, what is this? Okay. This is seaweed. Of course, I eat this all the time. You can buy it in Trader Joe's. I love seaweed though. It's a healthy snack. And yeah, I'm not gonna eat it just because I have dinner soon, but yeah, I know what seaweed tastes like and I love seaweed. So thank you so much for adding this to the box. This one is so cute. It's called Strawberry Corns and it basically just looks like strawberry Cheetos. If you don't know me, this is kind of bad and unhealthy, but I love artificially colored snacks. And this is pink. It's so cute. I love the little bag too. It looks very like Hello Kitty. Well, let's try it. I love in Asia, or not, I don't know about all of Asia, but I know in Japan they have like very different flavored snacks, and it's just so much more interesting. That's what it looks like. It's like coated in like yogurt. I love this a lot. Not too sweet too. This is delicious. So yeah, it's called Strawberry Corns, and I think you can also buy this in Korean markets, maybe even like Filipino markets as well. Delicious. All right, this is 5 grains cookie. A cute round cookie made of oats, wheat germ, lentils. Yeah, but anyway, let's go ahead and eat the healthy cookie. Okay, initial thoughts on the cookie is that no, I didn't like it at all, but as I kept eating it, I actually do like the flavor a lot. It tastes like sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds. And a whole bunch of little seeds and nuts, but I like it. It's delicious. Not sweet at all, but I think this would be delicious with some tea. Delicious. Okay. Let's see what else they have here. This is apple cookies. Okay, this smells like Nutri-Grain. Yeah, that's what it was, Nutri-Grain. Yeah, it tastes just like it. I'm gonna not eat the rest though because I want to save my appetite, but pretty good, pretty good. I wasn't really too much of a fan of those types of snacks growing up, so it's okay, but definitely not bad at all. This one is Real Brownie, and this is basically just, ooh, okay. This is Real Brownie, which is a moist brownie with a touch of green tea flavors, dotted around with dark chocolate pieces. Okay, I gotta say though, wait, it says here, serve with hot, sweet drinks like cocoa. Hot chocolate, yes. But I would have to say that I love everything to do with green tea and matcha. It's just delicious. So, it smells like matcha inside, so. Ooh, it's green. I've never had like a matcha brownie before. But this is what it looks like. It's green. This has got to be my favorite so far. It tastes like matcha fudge. I'm not even kidding you. Has a very like fudge texture to it. Not too sweet because matcha isn't really a sweet type of drink or dessert. Everything about it, this makes me so happy. So yeah, I would definitely recommend. It's called the Real Brownie Green Tea. Love it. Okay, I think this is the last snack in the box, and there's a bunch of other green goodies in here. Oh my goodness! Okay, this is cookies and cream flavored almonds. I love almonds, I love cookies and cream. If you guys didn't know, cookies and cream is my favorite ice cream flavor ever, so. Wow. I'm gonna be eating these. Seriously. These are delicious. This one and the green tea brownies are absolutely my favorite. Alright, so we're done with the snacks now. The next thing I'll show you is just a bunch of little cute Korean things going on here. This is super cute. It's just a little sticker. Can use it to design some of my journals or my laptop. Oh, this is just a little note from the unboxing company. Cute. And I'm so excited because I love tea. But they gave me some burdock tea right over here, and that is a blended tea made of burdock and brown rice. Has an earthy, rooty flavor with an interesting mix of a bitter but sweet aftertaste. I'm so excited for that. It says enjoy with your Utes Korean nugget candy. I don't know what that is, but wow. Delicious! I'm excited to try that. I love tea so much. This is just Mayoshi roll. I think they're partnering with this company for this specific box. So they gave me like, you know, their Instagram and all of that. But I think they designed the stickers like this. They designed all of this. And it's called Mayoshi. Mayoshi's World. Put that right over there for you. But yeah, it's pretty like cute, artistic. Okay. And okay. Here are just some little cute stickers as well from Mayoshi. Mayoshi's World. Da, da, da. And then this is my favorite thing in this box because I love skincare. I might use this in one of my next videos. So this is a Korean skin mask and it's called Aqua Sheet Radiance and Hydrating. It looks so pretty. Look at that. And I can just feel, I can see all the liquid right now inside, but I'm so excited to try this on. And yeah, I think that's all we have. These were amazing selections. And I'm so excited to try the tea, the face mask. I love my little instant noodles. And yeah, again, Soulbox, thank you so much. I don't know who sent this to me. I really don't. I'm so confused right now, but I'm very happy. This makes me just feel so excited. I love trying things from all over the world. I know these videos don't do too well, but they're just so much fun for me. I don't have to like plan a whole video out for this. I just really show you my authentic, like real reaction to these videos. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much as well, and I cannot wait to see you on my next video, everyone. Bye!